Morning, everyone. Welcome back to Off Talk Outdoors. It's October 14th. Clear skies. The temperature's 38 degrees. And we got the wind directly out of the south at 8 miles an hour. Really beautiful morning. We're going to sit back and see what happens. Alright guys, I'm going to hit the antlers together and do some grunting. It's about 7:30. Alright, well, it's 8 o'clock and I haven't seen a deer yet. Beautiful morning, cold. The deer cast said though, it was like 5:30 to 6:30, the deer movement this morning. I got in my stand today probably about 6:45. I have my wind scent out with a stud buck scent in it. And it's blowing in my face straight down the hill. It's a south wind, directly south, so. Alright guys, I got down out of my stand a little early. It's about 20 to 10. So I'm gonna go to my scrape. I'm gonna freshen it up again. And then I'm gonna get out of here and I'll be back in here tomorrow. I really think that the deer moved early today because of the moon. And I think they're already bedded down. So I'm gonna get out of here early while I can and refreshing my scrape. So. Good morning. Welcome back to Off Talk Outdoors. It's October 15th. Very windy today. The wind is out of the south at 11 miles an hour, but it's gusting more than that. Temperature's like 52 degrees, and the skies are clear to cloudy today. I just had a doe walking at first light to my right about 20 yards. And she was a little skittish because it's windy out. And she went right back into this thicket to my right. We're gonna sit till about 10 o'clock today. I ain't expecting much today though because of the wind. If it dies down maybe. But well, we'll see what happens. Alright, well, that small buck was chasing, not chasing, but like pushing, but those, they don't like that wind. They went back over to my right, so I'm sure they're still over here. But two doe come down past me. The two doe that come down past were moving pretty good. And then another doe came out on the edge of this thicket and kept looking back. And then I heard something, and then she like made a circle, like ran back the way she came. And then I seen that buck. Well, that buck is, I got a picture of that buck and then another buck. But they're both small, so just waiting on the big one. I'm actually surprised that I'm seeing deer today and buck as opposed to yesterday when it was beautiful out and cold. Now it's 52 degrees and windy, and you end up seeing deer. So that just goes to show you that you never can tell what you're going to see when you think you know what you're doing. Something else happens. So, but you got to be in a tree to see them. So, all right, stay with me. All right, it's 9 o'clock, and it is windy. I just had a tree branch fall next to me. So, but other than that buck and couple doe that I've seen so far, it seems pretty dead. I'm surprised I seen deer today because it's so windy as opposed to yesterday. I'm gonna sit here for about another hour. Then I gotta head up to Lake Erie, so we have a wedding today. So we'll see what happens within an hour. Alright, well, it's about 10 o'clock. Haven't seen nothing else. Like I said, it's really windy today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get down, and I'm gonna change my SD card in my camera. And if there's anything on it worth showing you guys, I'll put that in this video. Alright, well that ends this hunt, and I'll see you on the next one. Good morning. It's October 17th. Temperature is around 50 degrees. The wind is about 8 or 9 miles an hour out of the southwest. So it's blowing from my right to my left into the bedding area, which is a good thing. And the skies are cloudy today. I was expecting to see deer today, so it is a little windy though. The gusts are higher than 9 miles an hour, so I don't know if that's going to keep the deer bedded down, but the moon is going away. It's about 7:15 right now, and the deer cast says that the major time is from 7:12 to 9:12. I just rattled a little bit ago and I grunted to see if I could pull something in, so we're just gonna sit back and see what happens. Alright, it's about 7:45. I just rattled again and grunted. It's October 17th, so the bucks are going through some changes in their patterns and their habits. They're starting to transition into that like pre-rut soon. So there's going to be new deer moving into areas and moving out of areas and things like that. So they're going to start moving, and it's predicted around this week, like this week and on. So we'll see. if any new bucks show up. So I'm hoping to get deer on my camera. And once you start getting those new bucks or different bucks on there, when that transition is starting to happen. So we'll see. Alright, well, you can see the wind here today. I think the weatherman missed this one. They said wind out of the southwest at 8 to 9 miles an hour. Well, it's more than that. It's about 8:30, and I haven't seen a squirrel, let alone a deer. So we're gonna sit here till about 10. I can't hunt tomorrow because I'm working daylight, so maybe that'll be a good thing. I'll give this area a little bit of a rest. I try to hunt it like 2 days, give it a rest, or like every other day, because this isn't a big plot of woods here. So if I keep coming in and pushing them out of here or something, then that's not a good thing. So. But yeah, it's pretty windy. Alright guys, it's about 9:45. The wind is whipping really good. I'm like holding on to my tree. So I'm gonna get down and end this hunt. So we will see what happens next time. I won't be out tomorrow, but I'll probably be out on the 19th. Hopefully weather's better. I didn't really see in the weather these winds like this, so I don't know if the weatherman missed us or what, but thanks for joining me on this episode. And that ends it for episode 4, guys. So we'll see in the future here what happens. I just wanted to thank you guys for all your support. Please hit that subscribe, like, share us out. I really do appreciate that. And we will see ya. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, hit that off-click logo, and thank you for your support.